Well, I am up over 250% as of the making of this recording on this trade of XRP on the derivatives on BidFi. And I wanted to make this video because XRP is finally up over $2. In fact, up over $2.15 currently, which is a huge milestone. It's up nearly 300% in this historic run, and there's going to be a lot more of it to follow. Yes, that's right, XRP now is finally having its day in the sun as it's finally cracking $2, and in my opinion is going to run much higher in this bull run. So in this video, we're going to be talking about that, as well as what Charles Hoskinson, the creator of Cardano, had to say about the rest of the cryptocurrency communities. It's very interesting. And like I mentioned before, I'm going to tell you about a big trading competition that I'm very excited about. Hey everyone, my name is Randy. Welcome back to the Late Night Grind. Right now on this channel, we are covering cryptocurrency news, investment markets, and personal finance. So if any or all those topics interest you, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, join the Late Night Grind community. If you do a couple of things, I'd appreciate it. Smash the thumbs up button and watch this video all the way to the end. If you do that, I'd greatly appreciate it. All right, guys, it's time to jump into it. So yes, XRP looks like it's finally cracking $2. Locally, it looks like recently, at least, it hit a high of about $2.20. My opinion is going to go much higher. Now, is it retracing right now? Yes. Am I still in the trade? Yes. Will I probably get out soon? Yes. Why? Well, because number one, I'm using higher leverage. I'm using a 50x leverage on a short-term trade in which I already made about $200 in a matter of about 10 minutes. Now, this is what happens when you do breakout trading, but there is some risk to it, so make sure you do your due diligence before you start. More on that later. Okay, so now that XRP's cracked $2, looking at the fib extensions, what's the next local target to be looking for? Right now, it's about $2.41. That's going to be the next level on that Fibonacci scale that it has to climb through to continue to take aim at all-time highs, which is about $3.82. There's a lot of people now that think XRP could hit that all-time high before the end of the year. But hang on, slow down. A lot of people thought Bitcoin was going to crack 100,000 once it started making that run, and it pulled up just short and is now in a retrace and hover mode. It may break it today, it might be tomorrow. We might not see it come back to, it might retrace back to the $90,000 level for several weeks. But in any case, I'm doing some short-term trades, which remember to always take profit. Now, there's a few things that I wanted to talk about because the consensus is that an altcoin season is right around the corner. A lot of the guys that I look at, from technical analysis to macro analysis, think that an altcoin season is already, some think it's already started, some think it's about 1 to 2 weeks away from really starting to boom. This is when Bitcoin dominance starts to pull back. Bitcoin's price may continue to climb, but its dominance is pulling back. And basically what that means is people are taking some of their profits or some of their accumulated value out of Bitcoin and rolling it into smaller altcoins, such as, even though it's a major one, XRP, Ethereum, Solana, which XRP just flipped for market cap to become the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap, non-stablecoin, that is. And there's a bunch of others that are running. Of course, you got meme coins. Pepe, which had its big run, is now running again today. Shiba Inu is running today. Several of the smaller altcoins are running today. And remember back to my previous video when I mentioned about the projects in which the cryptocurrency projects were based out of the United States. Those are continuing to do well. Also, Ethereum. If you're looking at Ethereum, it's not just for altcoins and not just for meme coins and the meme coin market on Ethereum, but Ethereum itself is now starting to have a big run up. Bitcoin has been consolidating for the past few days. And in my opinion, this is the playbook that we need to take a look at. Bitcoin will crack 100 and it might go right to 120,000 very quickly in very short order. And when that happens, you're not going to see altcoins do as well. Yes, they will climb because of the value that being denominated in a Bitcoin currency. They may actually do a little bit better, but they're not going to make a big run until Bitcoin starts to consolidate and that Bitcoin dominance starts to fall. So I don't know what you guys think in terms of the altcoins that I should be following, that I should be covering during this upcoming altcoin season. In the comment section down below, I want you to write your 3 favorite altcoins that you're following or that you think I should follow. Right now, I am closely looking at Cardano. I am closely looking at Solana. I am closely looking at Hedera, of course, XRP, as well as a handful of other smaller caps, some other meme coins, AI. I'm looking at a few AI coins that are very small market caps right now. But let me know in the comment section down below what I should be looking at. And as soon as you do that, I want you to click the link in the description below for BidFi, because I want to introduce you guys to something. It is a big trading competition that I'm very excited about. It's very, very unique. So here we go. And I wanted to take this time to tell you about a big trading competition that's happening on BidFi. BidFi is a partner of the Late Night Grind, and if you're not trading there currently, I'd invite you to go ahead and check it out. You can click the link link in the description or in the comment section below to check it out. If you sign up, you will instantly get 10% cash back on all your futures trading. Go ahead, sign up and deposit. And I wanted to tell you about this awesome trading competition that I think is honestly groundbreaking. I've been trading crypto for a while, and I haven't seen too many like this. And so you're going to be competing for a prize pool of $2,000, but how it works is that every 1 million in trading volume, that prize pool will grow by an additional $100. That could grow very, very quickly, very, very substantially. Now, this trading competition is going to last until December 25th, in which case the top 5 trading by volume users will receive the prize. First prize gets 25% of that prize pool plus a 30-day VIP 5, which means you're going to get the cheapest trading fees in almost all of crypto. Second prize, you're going to get 20% of that prize pool. Third prize, you're going to get 15%. The second and third place also gets VIP 4. Fourth place gets 12.5% plus 30 days of VIP 3, and fifth place gets 7.5% of that jackpot, also along with 30 days of VIP 3. And the rest of the 20% of that prize pool is going to be shared among the 20 traders whose volume is greater than $100. So all you have to do is go on and start trading, and that volume can rack up very quickly. And so this trading competition is just getting off the ground. You'll be able to track who's participating. You can check the results at any time. You can see the trading volume, what you would be eligible for, as well as something else. Now, the other thing that you're going to be trading for is a chance to win these amazing prizes. If you do trading volume of more than $1,000, which is incredibly easy to do, you'll get a $35 USDT bonus. If you do more than $1 million, you'll be eligible to win AirPods, an iPad, iPhone 16, a Louis Vuitton backpack, and if you do more than 100 million in trading volume in that 1 month time period by December 25th, you'll be eligible to possibly win this Rolex Submariner, valued at $10,000. Those are some amazing prizes. Now, like I said, this trading competition is extremely unique because of the progressive nature of how it works. Like I said, with every 1 million of trading volume, another $100 will be added to that prize pool. Now, potentially, that could add up to thousands upon thousands of dollars more being added to that prize pool. And right now, it's just getting off the ground. So if you haven't done any future trading, sign up for BitFi, get instant 10% cash back on all your trades, and do well in this trading competition, and you'll have some more black powder to trade with in this upcoming bull run. So there you go, guys. If you have not started trading futures, or you've been trading on other platforms and you wanted to try out BitFi, now is the time to do it. Not only are we running this trading competition where you can get some big bonuses, and honestly, there's not a lot of competition as of yet. You can get a big head start, but you can also get VIP 5, 4, or 3 depending on how well you do in that competition. And it's not just P&L, and it's not P&L, it has to do with the volume. So once you make some profit on some trades, it would be wise to take that cash out, take that profit out, and get your volume numbers up. I noticed that a lot of my referrals are doing spot trading, and that is awesome. It is a good season to be doing that, but derivatives, futures, can really add fuel to that fire. So now that we got some altcoins to look out for, I think one of the things that's going to solidify altcoins, especially in this geopolitical time that we are living in right now, with the United States just having its election, is that crypto is very big in the United States. The incoming administration says it's going to make the United States the crypto capital of the world, or at least we are going to put up a major fight for it. Charles Hoskinson, who was tapped by the incoming administration to basically help them, give them thoughts, ideas on regulating cryptocurrencies in terms of the light touch, a platform that's going to give blockchain companies the ability to build without repercussions, all the while having some guidelines and some crypto-friendly guidelines to go by. But Charles Hoskinson, who created Cardano, is going to be part of that regulatory guidance. Well, he recently came out and he apologized. To who? He apologized to the XRP community. He apologized to the Bitcoin community. He apologized to several other blockchain communities and said, now is not the time for tribalism. This is the time to unite. This is the time that we can bring cryptocurrency mainstream, not only in our own little worlds, but with the help of the United States government, one of the most powerful governments in the world. Now is the time for a cryptocurrency renaissance. And he said, listen, I apologize. Let's not look back on the past, the things we were said. Now is the time to unite. And it looks like Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, among many others, are kind of starting to say the same thing. But let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. Don't forget, click that link in the description below, make a deposit of USDT, start trading, start getting a part of that trading competition. It's very easy to do so right now. It's very very early going. So go ahead and jump on in, but make sure you do your due diligence on leverage trading. Make sure you know what you're doing before you do it. And now for my predictions on the price of XRP in the short term into 2025 and Bitcoin as well. So XRP, like I mentioned earlier in this video, it was right around $2.15 to $2.20 as of this recording. However, in the near term, into 2025, my prediction is that XRP is going to see somewhere in the neighborhood of $7 to $10. Could it go much higher? Of course. Maybe it doesn't reach $7. Maybe it breaks all-time high, goes up another dollar or two, and then that's where it sits. I think it's highly unlikely, but in this bull market, I think $7 to $10 is likely. Could it go much higher than that? It absolutely could. There's a lot of people calling that Bitcoin is going to crack $200, $250, even $350,000, but that there is a somewhat of a cap if you look at the diminishing returns that a lot of the models have put out in terms of its maximum price for this particular cycle. $350,000 Bitcoin is a lot. Would it only be a $7 to $10 XRP if that's what Bitcoin is going to get? I don't know. But there's a possibility that it could get there. Of course, there's some other wild predictions that say it's going to be $1 million by 2025 or mid-2025. I think that's highly unlikely. However, I think $200,000 to $300,000 is a possibility. The other possibility is that it might hit $120,000 and double top, maybe triple top, and then reverse. We go into a bear market from there in the middle, from the middle to third quarter of 2025 and on. But let me know in the description down below what you guys think. So the next fib level for XRP, $2.40 in my opinion. It's going to smash right through it. And we could also be breaking $3 and possibly seeing new all-time highs by the end of the year. We'll have to see how aggressive this run is going to be, because XRP and only a select few altcoins are really pushing hard before alt season actually begins. Are we going to see a 17,000% rise like we did in other bull runs for XRP? Or is it just going to be a couple dollars? Let me know what you guys think in the description down below. I think 2025 could be a massive cycle for cryptocurrency. Are we going to see 20 or 30 or 40 or $50 XRP? Who knows? Let me know in the comment section down below. And don't forget to follow me on X. That link is down below. Don't forget to sign up for my free Discord, where those of us in the late night grind community can have discussions about various things in the cryptocurrency space. You can click that link and go join that community. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end, for smashing that thumbs up button. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next video.